Bella. Today we're going to open this Furby, this magical gem, and this little kitty box. Let's start with the kitty box.
Do you need help?
No. We have it in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got mustard.
Oh,
Now let's see which name we got. Mommy, which name do we got? We got this one. Which one?
yeah.
Which name?
The name is Hot Dog Cat.
Hot Dog Cat. We got Hot Dog Cat.
And what did you have for dinner?
Because his little hat is
You had
shaped
a
like
hot
a hot dog.
Yeah, and you had a hot dog today.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh, it was the same thing.
Open the next one.
The next one's going to be Furby.
It's a little mini Furby, huh?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
We do these with its ears.
You gotta open that up.
Here it is.
Oh, I love it. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. And this little purse is a Furby.
Oh yeah. Here, I can help you with that. You wanna open the other one?
No, there's little stuff in them. Those are...
Oh yeah, it's like a little head. It's like a little keychain Furby.
that
that's
stuff doesn't matter. We got that Furby in this. Now the last one. The gem.
That's a very cute Furby. Your favorite color.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to open without using your teeth? Without using your teeth, please. Oh.
Ooh. Ooh, I got this gem.
What is it? Do you want me to open without using your teeth?
No.
Whoa.
Ooh, little purse.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be Minnie Mouse. Yep, I was right. Minnie Mouse.
Oh, how cute. Let me see. Show me that again. Oh, wow. I never seen that.
And it comes with some bibbity slime.
Oh, nice.
That's a Minnie Mouse purse on.
All right. What do you think about your opening today? Your blind boxes.
Good. We got a Furby. Kitty. And Minnie.
What's your favorite one?
I think Minnie, then the Furby, then this.
Very nice.
I just think Minnie has the gem to dazzle. I think the cat is cute because the little tail has little mustard and this little flat hat's called mustard. And the Furby is just cute because it has the same thing, but it's pink and it has a little heart and a little tongue.
We have to put the batteries on that
And
one.
little eyes. And a little purse with the Furby on it.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
Next time.